to another
What's up, guys? To another video.
Well, also, what's up? Make sure to like and subscribe.
To another video of Alexandra.
Also, you have to make sure to like and subscribe, or else you're not gonna get cookied.
Like and subscribe.
And also comment down. And also comment down below.
Right now, we are collabing right now at the same time, same date, and we're gonna stop at the same time as well. So whoever first gets the most views.
Elise,
What?
don't get my tips.
Okay. Anyways.
Also, guys, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you like this video. And make sure to watch until the end, or else you're not gonna get happy.
Anyways, you know Sandas, you know my friends, my YouTuber friends, right? We are gonna be collabing with them in the video at the exact same time.
We're also the name, aka the XLE band.
Yeah, and ready to reveal everyone in 3, 2, 1.
Here, guys, is my friends.
So
what you think?
this one.
So what you think, guys? Do you think you might like this video? Just watch until the end. Watch
This one.
Watch until the end, and if you will see if it's super nice or not.
What's your name? What is your name?
What name? And guys, and also guys, make sure to.
I'm pointing her right now. Her name starts with E. Introduce yourself. Elise. Okay? I'm sorry for the delay. Anyways, introduce the one with L.
I am Letlet. And also guys,
To her YouTube channel, which is Letlet Nicholas.
also guys, make sure to watch all our videos.
Yeah. Anyways, I am a starter YouTuber. I used to have a YouTube channel back in 2025. I have come back, so please help me gain back my popularity.
So guys, I begin my.
Subscribe to Elise, please. Her channel name is Cutie Elise, or Cutie Elise dash 2025.
Also guys, I also started a channel at the start of 2025. And also, there's a lot of subscribers in my channel. So I'm the most popular so far. Also, make sure to like and subscribe so they will have the same amount.
Least popular so far. Right now I'm the least one, so please like and subscribe to help me.
Also guys, make sure to like and subscribe to my friends so they will have the same amount of subscribers as me. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, like and subscribe to me because I have the least popularity in our group. And then I will be so what should we do now, everyone?
I don't know.
Should we do another collab?
Also guys, we're gonna do another collab anytime soon. So we're gonna plan.
We might do a collab meeting in person.
Guys, we might do it at
Collab meeting in person.
Guys, we might do it when we have playdates because normally I plan some playdates sometimes.
Yeah, but most of the time I plan it.
Yeah?
Most of the time I plan my playdates because I have a really busy parents. I have really busy parents. It's hard for me focusing on the camera and the call.
Literally.
Viewers are gonna be like, who are they talking to?
Okay, guys, whoever is watching this right now, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you like this video.
Like and subscribe also to my YouTuber friends, Cutie Elise and Letlet Nicholas.
Also, guys, click the bell button if you like this video.
Yeah, click the bell button if you want to hear more from us.
If you want to,
Bye,
and if you guys want to know some more information, make sure to look at our descriptions right now.
Yeah. Anyways, say bye, everybody.
Bye.
3, 2, 1.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait.
Bye, Sandas.
Out.